There are two main ways to make money using ClickBank. One is to create your own product and list it, and the other is to skip the product creation step and list other people's product while taking a commission for each sale. This is what we have seen in most part of the course, but there is another easy option for you. You can create your own digital product and become a vendor in ClickBank and just collect easy cash through it. Let me give you a pro tip here. You can buy a software product readily done, as there are many product creation services in the market. Here are some of the websites that do a really good service to launch your own product in ClickBank. I am not an affiliate for any of them, but just want to help you out. Once you sign up as a vendor, you can list your product with them and set the commission percentage you are willing to pay to anyone who chooses to market and promote your product for you. Once your product is listed, other ClickBank users will start promoting it on their own websites. This will drive traffic to the sales page on your website and hopefully result in sales. So this is how you can sell your own products in ClickBank and gain more profit apart from just being an affiliate.